How to join broadcast channel on Instagram. Broadcast channels lets us receive the updates directly from the creators, brands, or the celebrities. So if we do not join them, we miss very important announcement, exclusive content, and updates. So let's join a broadcast channel step by step. Go to Instagram app for that, and once we are here, we can go to the creator's profile of whose you want to join the broadcast channel. You can just head over there. For example, let's say this is the channel or the profile, creator's profile. Once you find the creator's profile, you can directly look out for the broadcast channel option. We usually find a channel option right beside the threads username. So you can find a chat box option, a small one. You can just go and tap on it. And when you do, you will be taken to another page where you can just go over and agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on I understand. After that, you can just go over and confirm this up. You can tap on join and join channel, and you will be taken or you have successfully joined the broadcast channel this way. You can just go over and follow out this method, and this is one of the fastest way you can join up. Apart from that, if they have shared a story where you can just go over and join the channel, you can just go and tap on that option. That is also the fastest way to join. Or you can open up Instagram notifications if you have not turned it on. Sometimes just turning on the Instagram notifications, hold it up, go to the info, and from there go over, go to the option for notifications, tap on allow. And once you have tapped the notification, you may sometimes receive the pop-up of the notification asking you to join a broadcast channel. You can tap on that option and just go over and join it up. Similarly, you can open up Insta and go to the DMs, the messenger icon. And after you go over here from this section, you can just go over and look out for the broadcast channel option at the very top. Sometimes you can just go over and click on that option, and that's it. And the thing is, only creator can send messages in those kind of broadcast channel. Members can react with the emojis and turn on the notification to never miss an update. But that's how we join broadcast channel on Instagram very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.